My dear brothers and sisters, today we're going to be making a very special smoothie, a pineapple almond butter smoothie. If you can relate to that, it's very, very special, as you'll see, because it's using our alive organic almond butter made from almonds grown by California family farmers. So we'll begin, as we've done so many times before, with a cup of spring water. We use Mountain Valley spring water. They've been in business since 1871. And to this, we're going to be adding a heaping tablespoon of almond butter. There we go. So, cup of spring water, heaping tablespoon of almond butter. We'll give it a blend. The miracle has happened. It is flashed into almond milk. You will admit it's so much fresher than anything you can find sitting on a store shelf. And now that we have our base, we're going to be adding some orange juice. Okay. And to this, we're going to be adding a couple tablespoons of chia seeds, a Native American food. They used it to sustain them when they were running long distances over the desert. Please add chia seeds to everything you eat. They are so vital and nutritious. And we're using this in the recipe because it's also a natural thickener. So here we go with chia seeds. Okay. And now, how about some frozen bananas? Give that a blend. And then an Hawaiian organic pineapple. Okay. And finally, we're going to be adding our alive organic almond butter, a wonderful farming family going back 5 generations on this California land. They grow these almonds near Fresno in the Great Central Valley. So let's add a couple heaping tablespoons of alive organic almond butter. Okay. And we have it, our pineapple almond butter smoothie. Nothing like it. Just the thing to start the day in the morning or to refresh oneself after vigorous exercise. Imagine that. Imagine that. So let us go forward, brothers and sisters, and in everything we do, let us exemplify streaming, pulsating, vital, organic life and vitality. Let us go forward. It behooves us to do so, especially in these times. My privilege to share with you. Please subscribe, and your comments down below are treasured by us. My privilege to share. Thank you.